If you're looking for top royalty-free music for your videos, perhaps for your own YouTube channel, or perhaps for work that you do for clients, then I will highly recommend TrackClub, because TrackClub are delivering high quality music that you actually want to listen to. They allow you to download stems of the songs, which makes it easier for you to take out parts that you don't want. They also let you change the beats per minute to make the song fit the clips that you're including in your video. Recently, they have made this searchable function where you can put in a link to a YouTube video or Spotify song, and it will come up with similar music in the TrackClub catalog that you can use for your videos. And as a bonus thing that I think is pretty cool, TrackClub's mother company, Mamose, actually invest in social projects, so some of the money that you're using on this will go to good causes and perhaps help people out in the world, which I really think is a nice thing to know. If you want to try out TrackClub, then you can get a 2-month free subscription by using the link that I've provided down in the description.